Hey guys, is Telegram secretly draining your mobile data without you even realizing it? Every time someone sends you a photo, video, or even a voice note, it downloads automatically, eating up your storage and your internet bundle like a hungry beast. Telegram's auto-download feature is on by default, and it can quietly eat up your storage and mobile data. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to turn off auto-download on Telegram for Android, step by step. Let's fix it now. Alright, follow along carefully so you get it right. First, open the Telegram app on your Android phone. Now tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. That opens the side menu. From there, tap on Settings. Next, go into Data and Storage. This is where the auto-download settings are hidden. You'll see a section called Automatic Media Download with 3 categories. When using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, when roaming, tap on each one of them and you'll notice different media types listed. Photos, videos, files, music, and more. Simply uncheck every media type you don't want Telegram to download automatically. For most people, turning them all off is the best option, especially for mobile data and roaming, to prevent surprise data charges. Once you're done, go back, and you're all set. Telegram will now stop downloading everything on its own. Does Telegram auto-download drive you crazy too? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know how much space it used up on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, tap the like button, subscribe for more quick Android tips, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.